I want to show you something I've been using when I need TRX for a short testing session. I'm in Trust Wallet for this example, but Wallet doesn't change anything here. If it works with Tron, the same basic process applies. So I've been in crypto for over 10 years, and I've spent a lot of that time testing wallets, DeFi apps, smart contracts, and different blockchain setups. So when I run into something like this, I'm usually looking for the simplest way to get the job done without adding 3 extra steps to it. That's where Flash TRX comes in. The idea is pretty simple. Instead of keeping additional TRX available all the time, I can use it for a specific period when I'm actually working on something. That can be useful for a quick test, demo, DeFi, or just some temporary work on Tron. So let's set it up. We start with the amount. There are 4 options on screen, and I'll just pick one that fits what I'm testing right now. I don't need to guess some perfect number here. I just want enough for the job I'm doing. Okay, next we set up duration. This controls how long the setup stays active. For something I'm checking quickly, I'd keep that period short. If I've got a longer session planned, I can select more time. So those 2 settings really come down to what I'm doing and how long I expect to be working with it. Okay, then we grab TRX receiving address from wallet and paste it in this field. Okay, then I check it before moving on to make sure it's a Tron address and that nothing got copied incorrectly. So here's 2 ways we can handle this part. We can choose the token and network manually, or connect the wallet with Wallet Connect and approve it from there. Whatever's more familiar is fine. I'm gonna keep it manual because that makes it much easier to see what's happening. Good, so now we just need to give it a moment while everything gets processed.
Okay, TRX balance updated, everything's sent correctly, and this is basically why I find the Flash approach useful. A lot of my crypto work isn't something I'm doing for weeks at a time. For that kind of work, having access to TRX for a defined period can be a lot more practical than building a whole permanent setup around a short task. That's the part I wanted to show here. Not a complicated Tron tutorial, just a simple workflow for a situation that comes up when you're testing things on the network. And once you've gone through it once, the steps are pretty easy to remember. Pick the amount, set the duration, add address, check everything, complete transaction, and then get back to whatever you were trying to test in the first place. That's pretty much it. If you've been using Tron yourself, let me know what you're usually working on there. I'm always interested in seeing how other setups are used in practice.